A local women's health team is getting a lot of support right now for mobile mammography here in our community.
And joining us now to share more this Breast Cancer Awareness Month, medical reporter Liz Bonus. Liz.
Hey guys, good afternoon to you again. A big thank you to hundreds of you who came out last night to the celebration of angels to support breast cancer survivors and kick off this Breast Cancer Awareness Month. What happened there clearly sharing an important message with those living with this disease.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer in early April.
Margo Ross is one of hundreds who attended this celebration of life at the Manor House in Mason. She admits initially,
when you first get that diagnosis, it's devastating because you hear that C word, you hear cancer, and you really think, you don't know if you're going to live or not.
Supporting survivors, really what this celebration of angels is all about. It was started by the family and friends of Mary Jo Cropper, who lost her battle with breast cancer.
And people come out for it and they want to celebrate, they want to acknowledge breast cancer survivors and those that have gone before.
Selfishly, I have 3 daughters who will probably, statistics say 1 of the 3, if not more, will be affected by this.
I had a chance to help host this event.
It is a privilege to be here with so many of you.
This year, the celebration also raised money for a new mobile mammography van and the technology inside it. The breast cancer team here says their job is to provide breast cancer care for patients.
And we do a fabulous job of that at our centers, okay? We're really super at clinical research, but it's as important as anything else that we do to meet the needs of the and underserved patients in the greater Cincinnati area. And we do that most effectively with mobile mammography.
And guess what? Along with this event and other outside gifts, they've raised nearly $500,000. They can now get that van and continue to share what Margo Ross says she too recently discovered.
Even though it was a devastating diagnosis, I got about learning, I got about doing what my doctors told me and fighting it and trying to get beyond it. And I think so far we're making great progress.
Don't you love her spirit?
Yeah.
So the previous van had broken down so many times. It's 10 years old. You drive a 10-year-old car, that'll happen. They had to dump $100,000 just into repairing it this year. So last night, God bless him, I'm really trying to pull, these people to give more. And one gentleman stood up and he walked up to the stage and he said to Dr. Susan, "How would you like $100,000?
Wow.
That was the crowd reaction. And it turned out he is Mr. Thomas. The Thomas Cancer Center there is going to be named for him. He had lost family members to that, and this is his legacy.
$100,000. That's incredible.
I still can't sort of believe it, but he made me look like a hero. Like, all right, we're in. And we got enough to get the van at least half of what it is, and then the company will match the other half.
That's fantastic. I mean, that will save someone's life.
Oh, absolutely. There are people, and we've all had busy lives. You won't go unless it's right there for you. Yeah, really exciting stuff. Back at 5:30, there's a new high-risk clinic in town. We're going to tell you about that.